Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got some orders of 13 cap. My clients also requested for pocket squares with Ofi. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to make your own pocket square using an Ofi. Okay, so here I already cut them out. Let me show you guys. So these are more of them. So I'm making 12 pocket square here. Okay, so now the pocket square varies from size to size. Okay, so now for this particular one, the size you want to make will determine the measurements you're going to be using. So this one I'm using 10.5. Can you see? 10.5 by 10.5. okay, so this is 10.5, and you know it's Ofi, it's not too wide, so I cut two of it. So I'm going to go ahead now and join them together. So you can join them in two ways. Number one, you can hold them together like this. Okay, place them together like this and just stitch across like this. Okay, or you can place it this way and place the other one like this. Let it overlap, and then you're going to top stitch on it. Whichever you want to do is fine. So I'm just going to first go and top stitch all of these, or sew them together. 1 2 3 4, and all this one I'll sew them together. Then I'll show you the next thing you're going to do, because definitely you're still going to reduce the size, because by the time we join it, look at this Ofi now. The entire length of this Ofi is like 6 and let's say 6 inches or 6 and quarter. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, so let me just go and join all of them together and show you guys the next step. Okay, once you're done joining, I decided to use this method. Once you're done joining it, if you use this method, what you do is to open it up like this, and then you're going to top stitch on it, because your pocket square is not going to be making sense when you open the back side, like the wrong side of the pocket square, and you're saying something like this. So it's not going to make sense. What you do is to like this, all the way. When you get here, raise your foot up like this, and then take it all the way. So now this is it. So once you're done doing that, now remember when I said when we were cutting that we're cutting 10.5 by 10.5, and we join two together, definitely it's going to give us more than what we need. Now we're going to now reduce this pocket square now. Okay, and we're going to reduce this Ofi that we have here now. So I'm going to measure. Here is already 10.5 by 10.5. This is 10.5 already. So at this side I'm going to measure 10.5 and reduce it. Can you see? So this is where my 10.5 is. So I'm going to trim off the excess Ofi. So once you're done, now this is not equal at this side. I'm going to just trim it like this, and I'm going to also do the same thing for this part that is already fraying. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to be having 10.5 by 10.5. so the next thing is that we're going to use quarter of an inch fold cutter, and then you're going to fold another quarter again, and then we're going to aim it all the way around. So we're aiming the first side of the pocket square now. Okay, I'm just going to aim it all the way around. Okay, make sure you don't exceed quarter and end. So once you're done, so I'm done with one side now. Can you see, guys? I'm done with one side. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and this side. So here are the pocket squares. Can you see? This is 12. I have 12 of them here ready for delivery. And here are some of the caps. Can you see here? So these pocket squares, these ones are for this, and these ones are for these ones. Can you see here? Can you see, guys? So the other ones, the caps, are already packed. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. And if you also want a tutorial on how to make the cap, drop a comment for me in the comment section, and I'm going to make a very detailed video for you guys. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Don't stop learning, keep learning. Bye.